Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you what is images in HTML, how we can render image in a web page, and how to use image tag in HTML. Basically image improve the appearance of the web page. You can see this my page. I set background image and it's look great. So you can set any image as a background, you can display any image in your web page, and I think image tag is widely used in all of the web pages. So let's start, and this is my HTML simple application, and I'm going to show you how we can render image in web page. I'm going to use image tag for that and display the image. First of all, I want to explain image tag. Img is a tag for render the image in HTML. Image tag have two required attributes. One is src and second one is alt, means alternate text of images. You need to must specify src and alternate text. You need to specify path inside the src attribute, and you need to specify text into the alternate attribute. And when src load perfectly, that time alternate attribute not show anything. But if src not working perfect, that time alternate text display in web page. I show you both example, and let me specify src first, and let's specify image and also specify alternate. This is big image. Let's save and refresh. Now images appear properly. Now I am going to break the path. So this image is not found at all, and see, this is big image, alternate text displayed here because image is not found and not loaded properly on the web page. So both is required, and as a best practice you should define both attribute on image tag. Now I going to show one more example how you can set as a background. So let me specify one div. I am going to specify inline css and background image, and specify image path here using url method, and need to specify path, and let me specify height, pixels, and width also 250 pixel. Let's save and refresh, and you can see second image. Let me remove this so you can see which image render as a background, and this is display as a image. So you can set easily as a background. Also you can display any image. Also you can specify width here, for example 50 pixel, and let's save and show you. See, image is render with aspect ratio because I just only specify width. If you want to render image with the aspect ratio without losing any quality, you just need to specify either width or height. So this is image tag, and you can easily use for showing the image in your web application. Also, I'm going to show one more example. Right now, we are using mobile and lots of devices, and we want to display different images and with different resolution in different device. Right now in HTML5 we have one tag, picture tag. So I'm going to show one example with the picture tag and specify different images and show you based on resolution. Now I'm going to move this image inside the picture tag, and let me remove this because we no need anymore this background, and going to specify width auto. Let me save and see again. You can see image is still displaying. Now I'm going to specify source, and through this tag I can specify multiple images inside the picture tag, and I need to specify media. Basically this media attribute work like media query in CSS, and I'm going to specify max width and specify max width for 50 pixel, and src set big and small png dot png. It's like src, and let me copy and specify 750 and display md dot png. But one more thing we need to remember, we need to specify meta, because this picture tag is from HTML5 and it's only work when you specify meta. So I'm going to specify meta and give name viewport. Another thing, we need to specify content attribute and specify width equal to device width, initial scale equal to 1.0. we need to specify this, and then it's working. Now let me save and let's refresh the browser. Let me inspect and change the width. Now you can see image is changed, and let me make small, and you can see image is again changed. So you can load your image based on the device width. You can load in mobile device low quality image, low size image, so it's load faster. This tag basically used for improve the performance of your web page and reduce the loading time and improve the performance, so you can use it. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank